What's the gas? What's the gas?
Yeah.
Brake?
Gas, brake, steering.
Yeah. And you... Okay. Full throttle, babe. Full throttle! Full throttle! Yeah, but you have to... Ah! It's the other way, the other way, the other way! It's follow the track, baby. Full throttle.
Yeah, Mark, the steering very
Right. Now you see nothing anymore. Left.
Brake.
You have to push the brake, push the brake.
Push the brake.
Yeah.
And then?
And now, gas and left.
Left.
Yeah, and now, full throttle.
Kasi full trouble.
You
I go quickly. I cannot,
Oh, the left. Oh. I know. How the hell do you do that?
Get the coat down.
How the hell?
What the?
How the hell? What the? I never did that. Colin never did that. You drive one time and you managed to roll the car several times. How the hell do you do that?
Hey, lucky freaks that will obey. You're 16, see?
Yeah, we are last. Because you managed to roll over.
Sabotage.
Lucky freaks that will obey.
It's sabotage.
That's not sabotage.
If I'm a bit of Papa.
Allez, look. We're gonna watch the replay. You are... Wait, where are you?
Now you better take it in full laps.
Yeah. The second row, completely right. Red customs.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna see.
Okay, she's driving.
It's not bad.
We're gonna see.
Yeah, there's...
Am I riding?
Yeah. Second row? Oh, yeah. The one that started bad. That's you.
You saw me!
The two.
I go home!
Hey, you drive the opposite.
I gotta go home.
And you go in the bushes.
Bushman. It's the Bushman.
Cheers.
The real man. I don't think the real is anything to you, Apple. Stress management. I think that time...
Stress relief. That's not stress. Stress management.
I think that time a lot of...
Now you have to put much at it. How the hell? How the hell?
12 times.
Even your engine is on fire.
And then, Apple left the group.
Apple has left the chat.
Apple left the group.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Critical damage.
And then one comfort. You're winning, Apple. Come on, just one more. Look,
Your engine is on fire, babe.
You're winning. Come on, go on.
Come on, full throttle, babe. Full throttle. It's just a little bit smoke. Oh, the son of a bitch.
What you do? Come on, Apple. A little bit. Come on. Yes. You won. At least I finished.
Yeah.